So today I want to take you through Grass investment. If Grass token is one of those amazing tokens you should be looking at in 2025, I think this token has something unique that most of people have not yet realized, and its product is kind unique from all those other AI cryptocurrency tokens that are available right now on the markets. And when you look at Grass structures, you will find out that they are creating something that probably the world needs. This particular technology is bringing blockchain and artificial intelligence into fusion. That's why it is called an AI cryptocurrency project. And I think their aim, they are trying to create another Google, another ChatGPT, but then kicking off the monopoly that Google has or ChatGPT has. So basically, they are looking at crawling data from all websites available on the internet, bring it one, and then use it for artificial intelligence models. Look at Google. Google scrolls information, podcasts, articles, everything that is available on various websites, then brings it into one search engine. When you look at ChatGPT, it also collects all information and all data from other websites, then brings it into one, then use it for artificial intelligence module. For ChatGPT, it is to bring combined solutions to form particular queries. Use ChatGPT to use artificial intelligence to respond to people's queries in a particular way that people need. And then Grass is also kicking off the Google monopoly, the ChatGPT monopoly, and also bringing Grass technology into existence. I think we should wait on and see how Grass is aiming to make all this happen and make it real and make it highly usable and make it a highly usable token or cryptocurrency. And we are all looking on what Grass is going to be providing. This podcast is sponsored by Brandy Digital. This is the #1 leading website development company in the UK. If you have a website, if you want to start up an AI company, blockchain company, if you want to launch your own cryptocurrency, contact Dave at brandydigital.com for all your website solutions. They are so specific. They have amazing work. They will develop your idea from scratch and make it into a beautiful enterprise. They do with marketing, development, bringing an idea into reality, everything that your website or your application needs. That's Brandy Digital for you. Apparently, it is very hard for you to accumulate Grass token because each token right now it is trading at 2.3 US dollars. If I'm not mistaken, it is at 2.3 US dollars. So right now, if they tell you to own 1,000 Grass tokens, they are telling you to invest in $2,300. That's for 1,000 Grass tokens. It is very hard now to accumulate Grass tokens if you're not extremely rich. I think right now it is really very hard to find a person holding 50,000 Grass tokens. That would mean over 100k US dollars, or 13,000 US dollars, huge amounts of money, which is extremely very hard. It seems that people who got this token a little bit cheaper, they actually might have sold it off because being patient in crypto is one of the hardest things. Okay, let's look at it in this way. Grass token previously, its all-time low price was at 0.53 US dollars. That is half a dollar. 0.5 US dollars, that's half a dollar. There are some people who might have got this token at this price and then sold it off when it hit like 0.7 or $1, they lost interest. They had no bigger picture for the project. I have a friend of mine who made a profit of $100 off grass investment because he had bought it earlier than when it grew a little bit, and he made $100 profits. He sold off his grass tokens. He didn't know that it would ever hit $2, so he sold it off at around $1. But right now, grass token is almost aiming in for $3, but he's not owning any grass token. This is a word to all grass token holders. Do you know what we invested in? Do you have a bigger picture for the project? What do you think grass project is going to be putting on table 10 years from now? And are you in a grass token? To change a little bit of your lifestyle, or you want to change your lifestyle forever with grass cryptocurrency? It is very possible. All that grass needs is your support, is your availability, is your existence, is you to believe in the project and then spread grass word with your mouth to your friends, to your neighbors, people online, and everything that grass has to offer. Apparently, it has a saturating supply of 200 millions, I think 243 million coins in saturation. And when you look at its entire total supply, is at 1 billion grass tokens. I'm a person who loves cryptos with limited supply. Like, I don't believe in projects with billions and billions and billions, because I believe right now there's really a very, very tight competition in the cryptocurrency market. And when you create a cryptocurrency with billions and billions and trillions of tokens, who are going to compete for these tokens? I mean, what's that amazing product you're bringing on the market so that we can all get in to compete for those tokens? I think a billion coins with grass token and its future vision, I think it is really an amazing supply, and it is very easy for people to compete to own these 1 billion tokens. Already 243 millions are already in saturation being held by people. And if it has pushed it to 2.3 US dollars, I think it is really an amazing project. Apparently, Grass Token has a total number of holders or people who use Grass Token, or people who have downloaded Grass Token application. 2 million, 3 million people, not 2, 3 million people. I think the biggest aim for Grass Token should be around 100 people. So I'm thinking that at 3 million users, if they can be able to grow this way, what about at 100 million users? What will grass look like? And I think if I ever get an opportunity to have an interview with grass founders, that would be an amazing thing for me ever into this crypto journalism thing. I would want to sit down with crypto CEOs and have a discussion on how everything started, how it is going, and where do they see the future of decentralization. You simply need to download Grass application, then register, and then keep it in the background of your desktop or mobile device, and then keep accumulating Grass token. I don't know the idea of you leaving it happening in the background. How does it help Grass technology? Is it a sort of scrolling your mobile search engines, search terms, and all that? I don't know how it really happens and why they actually need you to keep it happening in the background, and why they would actually pay you Grass token for that, just installing an application on your desktop. I think it's something that people who are using Grass, or who are deep into Grass, or Grass founders, really need to come out and explain to the community why they must leave Grass operating in the background. Now, one of the things that I saw on CoinMarketCap comments was people complaining about grass marketing, that grass has not done enough to market itself into people, that grass has not done enough to make people feel secure. First of all, they've not been able to make people who invested in grass feel like this is the right project for them. When you invest in a project and everything is just dormant, you're not actually sure anymore if that's the technology that you wanted to invest in. So it seems like grass is not investing a lot more into people's emotions and what they should feel for the project, both for existing investors and also for outside audience, people that would be interested in grass. I think that's one of the weaknesses that they are having right now, because I saw some complaints and they must be coming from people's inner hearts. Like, people are really concerned on how grass is handling everything. I think there are less podcasts talking about grass, there are less YouTube channels discussing about grass, there are less interviews talking about grass. So maybe people reach an extent and they're like, is this the project that we invested in? Is this the thing that we actually wanted? I think it's something that grass needs to work upon so that they can make their investors feel safe, feel wanted, and feel like that's the real project that they invested in. I'm also looking at grass hitting at least $7 maybe in the next 5, 7 years or 10 years, if the growth and the expansion of this technology actually remains. If they continue the marketing, if they continue building the infrastructures, I think grass has a great future. And once the utility of this token is also available, once the growth of numbers of people coming in to utilize grass application, grass search engine, I think everything should be amazing in the next few years. Let me know what you think about grass cryptocurrency, and if you think it's one of those amazing AI crypto projects that everybody should be looking at in 2025. Daniel Lenhart is my name. Let me see you in the next episode.